Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to swap columns in Excel. Open an Excel sheet. So let's say I want to um, swap to column D to C and C to D. What I would do is just simply click on one of the cells in or the header cell in the D column and simply drag and select the whole data, and then I will wait till this four arrow is shown here, and then I will simply click on shift button, hold the shift button and simply drag it to this point, and there will be a black line. Whenever it will show till this line, I will release it and you will see the result. So let's start. As you can see, the swap is completed. So this is how you can swap columns in Excel. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.